let's understand name of a graph. Bhai, if the graph name is displacement time graph, तो इसमें मुझे बताओ what is on my y axis, what is on my x axis. See, basically from the name of the graph we can understand your first quantity it is always on the y axis and the second quantity is always on the x axis. Displacement ठीक है. Now guys, tell me the SI unit of displacement. Meters. What about time? ठीक है. Now, how can we imagine displacement? Right? Just think of position in a space. Suppose this is my 0. This is +1, +2, +3 and so on. -1, -2, -3 and so on. चलेगा? Now, suppose I am standing at -2 at t equal to 0. तो मैंने स्टार्ट किया. तो मुझे बताओ on the graph suppose ये 0 है, 1 है, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, 2, 3. -1, -2, -3. Now I am saying कि भाई जब समय स्टार्ट हुआ I am standing at position -2 meters. So tell me at t equal to 0 what will be my y value? So am I present here? चलेगा? Now suppose this is standing here. समय जा रहा है. After 1 second, where am I? -2. So can I say I am at 1, -2? चलेगा? Suppose भाई मैंने बोला आज घर यहाँ पे बनेगा. After t equal to 2 seconds, I am still at the same position. What will be my next point? 2, -2. Suppose I am never changing my position. Will it be 3, -2, 4, -2? Now if I join all these points, straight line दिख लीजिए. Now tell me, am I at rest? So ये जो straight line है parallel to x axis, is it depicting कि भाई if a body is at rest, it will be a straight line parallel to x axis. तो मुझे बताओ, suppose कोई बंदा position 3 मीटर पे हमेशा के लिए सो गया. सही है? तो कैन आई से दिस गाय इज एट रेस्ट एट x equal to +3 meters. तो मुझे बताओ दिस straight line parallel to x axis for displacement time graph is depicting what? A body at rest. चलेगा? First observation. सही है? Guys, next. Suppose t equal to 0 पे मैं 0 पे हूँ, लेकिन t equal to 1 पे I am moving towards 1 meter position. 1 meter. Now t equal to 2, I am moving towards 2 meter position. तो now मुझे बताओ 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is x मतलब displacement, this is time मतलब in seconds, in meters. Now what did I say? At t equal to 0, where am I? 0, x equal to 0. Is this my point? Now चलो इसको pause कर देखिए जगह उधर है. Now can I say भाई मैं t equal to 1 पे I am going towards x equal to 1. तो what will be the next point? 1, 1 चलेगा सबको? Now Suppose at t equal to 2 seconds, मतलब मैं आगे बढ़ रहा हूँ, I am moving towards x equal to 2. तो what will my position हो? 2, 2. 3 seconds पे 3 meters. Let's see. चलो भाई 3 सेकंड तक ही, and suppose t equal to 4 seconds, I am reaching 4 मीटर का displacement position. सही है? तो what will be this point? चलेगा? Now if I join all these, क्योंकि in between I am somewhere between 0 and 1, 1 और 2 के somewhere between 1 and 2, तो if I join this, is this forming a straight line? Actually, if you plot these points on a graph, you will get a straight line. अभी ये straight line समझो इसको, ठीक है? Now इसमें क्या होगा? Can I say 1 second में 1 meter change, again 1 second में 1 meter change? तो am I covering equal distances in equal intervals of time? What is this? Uniform velocity. So actually any straight line which is not parallel to x-axis will always represent a body moving with uniform velocity. तो मैं लिटरली ये ऐसे भी लाइन बना दूं या फिर ऊपर, all these bodies A, bodies B, bodies C, all these 3 bodies are moving with uniform velocity. इसमें क्या था? Bodies at rest for displacement time graph. इसमें body is moving with uniform velocity for displacement time graph. कोई भी straight line inclined to x axis बना, except this horizontal line, it is always a body moving with uniform velocity. बढ़िया? Okay. Now, have you seen this equation? Suppose ये y is equal to x square, मतलब my displacement is moving in such कि मेरा टाइम का वो स्क्वायर है. Let's understand कि भाई पॉइंट्स क्या कर रहे हैं. चलेगा? Now t is equal to 1. Whatever displacement, whatever t equal to 2, t equal to 3, t equal to 4. Now if I plot these points, देखो 0,0 और 1,1 तो हो गया, लेकिन 2,4 it's somewhere over here. Can you guys see? So this straight line now it's going like this. ठीक है? Now it can be any curve. So displacement time graph में कभी भी कोई भी curve which is not a straight line अगर बना, आग बंद करके you can just say the body is moving with non-uniform velocity. सही है? Okay. तो मुझे अभी तुम लोग बताओ, I am drawing some bodies का description. चलेगा? Now in this is some description of how body A is moving, body B is moving, body C is moving, and body D is moving. सबसे पहले body A, of course. Now I hope it's looking straight. It's parallel to x-axis. What can you say about the motion of body? The body is at rest. Body is at rest. ठीक है? Now what about body B?
Body moving with a uniform velocity.
Uniform velocity. Now body C and body D. So this is non-uniform velocity. and this is same thing. So body moving with body at rest, body with uniform velocity, body moving with non-uniform velocity. And then what about this, guys? Anything which is not a straight line is always non-uniform velocity for displacement time graph. यहाँ तक all clear? by displacement time graph में कोई भी doubt? कोई भी crazy question? Oh, hi. Good question. Now, Prabal is saying, is sir 3 पे there is some line parallel to y-axis. Let's understand this. By time में 3 सेकंड. Body इधर भी है. Body इधर भी है. Body इधर भी है. Because my y-axis is showing displacement, मतलब position. Body is at what position? Now tell me, at t equal to 3 seconds, can one body have multiple positions? Is it possible? बॉडी की लेंथ बड़ी भी होगी तो इसका डिस्प्लेसमेंट अगर फिक्स कर दिया एंड द टाइम, लेकिन फिर हम लोग भाई अगर बॉडी इधर है कहने से बॉडी इज देयर आल्सो बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. मतलब कितनी बड़ी होगी यार, एक फिक्स पोजीशन पे वो खड़ी रहेगी. लेकिन इसमें कैन यू गाइस सी फॉर द सेम t इक्वल टू 3 सेकंड्स बॉडी इज एट 1 1.5 2 3 4 5 एंड सो ऑन. इज इट इवन पॉसिबल? टाइम ट्रैवल में कैन यू गाइस सी भाई इसमें टाइम एक्सिस जो है x एक्सिस, इसमें मैं आगे भी मूव नहीं किया पीछे भी मूव नहीं किया. आई एम एट t इक्वल टू 3 सेकंड्स फॉरएवर. ये स्ट्रेट लाइन आगे भी जा रही है पीछे भी, डिस्प्लेसमेंट चेंज हो रहा है एट द सेम टाइम इंस्टेंट. पॉसिबल है? सो दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. ये ग्राफ नहीं बन सकता. सही है.